TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 9, Nasdaq's up 16, S&Ps are up 3. Gold contract down $1.30, trading at $12.62 an ounce. Silver down 8 cents, $17.28 an ounce. Platinum is off $6, $9.44 an ounce. You got light sweet crude down $1, $48.67 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note down 2 ticks, 125.15. 30-year bond down 12 ticks, 152.09. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, have rejected lower price. Last 2 days have lighter volume. Bottom line, they want higher price, lower yield. King Dollar's up 235 ticks, 99.165. Now, King Dollar gave it up on price yesterday. It's going up to retest that area. It did have an expansion of volume when it went up there, so I do expect you're going to see a retest. We'll see whether it can hold or not. Euro, the euro is trading at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111 to the U.S. dollar. We get open, we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have is this. We take a look at the SPY. You get a slew of earnings that come out this morning. We have this afternoon. What you are going to have in the NDX 100 is that we have Google, Microsoft, and Amazon coming out right after the close today, and that's going to put some high volatility into the close and right after the close. So S&Ps, the SPY got up to 239.53 yesterday. The number to keep your eye on is 238.37. That's the low of the high that was generated out here on March 1st. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow Industrials, same type of setup. Now, the Dow is going to be, the number you want to watch in the Dow is 20,957. Right now, we're 20,989. If you stay over the 20,557, guess what? You can go test that high, which is the 21,169. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract's trading out here today at 1263. You've done 121,000 contracts. Yesterday, you had gold rejects lower price. You had lighter volume. Gold looks to me, we'll see whether it rejects lower price again here. That's the bottom line. The GDX, what the GDX did do yesterday rather, it did reject lower price. Right now, it looks like we're going to try to go test that area. We got the 2185 this morning. Where it rejected was the 2168. It did that with light volume, 75 million shares going into 150 million. We take a look at the 10-year note, 30-year bond, still have strength in them. It's pretty amazing, actually. And the way both of them are actually trading today is these babies not only look like they want to go higher, they look like they want to go a lot higher, because what we have right now is this. You have, you're at 125.16, and the low of today is 125.14. So what we have had here is that in the last 4 days, 3 of them have been higher lows. They just can't knock it down. And it's going into this huge strength that was developed out here on the 11th of April. And the 11th of April is when it took out the 4-month consolidation. So it's a big number out here, folks. 30 years set up the exact same way. If we go over to good old King Dollar, what we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar yesterday got up to a price point of 99,205. We had volume come in King Dollar, and then it gave it up on price. Today, we hit 95,200, and we also have volume once again. So it's going to be interesting to see, can it get up and over the 205? You get a gap that's laying up there, or is it going to give it up again? Either way, if it even gives it up again, that means you're going to need another test, because what you do have now is that you have 2 days of strength in the dollar. You don't have the price spread, but the bottom line is that when you stop pushing with volume, and you fail on price, it's going to push in volume, trying to test it out again. And then if you test it with light volume and give it up, that's all she wrote. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the product they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.